We by emails update is what this video will be about. I did a review video a short while ago, but that was during pre-launch, and now I thought it was time to share some more exciting news. But we by emails. Hello, Tommy Olsson here. So if you enjoyed my videos and want more tips on making money online, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get down to this update then. So here we are on the new landing page. Make sure when you visit the page that you watch this video here. It's from the owner, Paul Darby. Hope I pronounce his name right. It should be around 20 minutes or something. But it's really worth it to watch it to the end, because earlier you could use the whole system as a platinum membership for $4.95, I think it was, to the whole year, and not pay the first annual fee. But and I got in on that. You still can use this trial. The only thing is now that you get it for 2 weeks, and the special deal now is that you only have to pay $49 monthly, and that is really a low fee because of the potential earnings you could have. So yes, they call it a free trial offer. It's almost free. The only fee you pay is $4.25 for a setup and admin fee, and it can be worth it because you can make money during these 14 days even if you don't stay a member. But it's very beneficial to stay a member. So, and here it talks about the earlier offer and the current offer. And as you can see, these 2 weeks you get for $4.25. Includes 2 full weeks of access with full use, including earnings from your $1,997 and $197 monthly. And this is a special launch special, so it won't last forever. So yeah, and he says like Paul has written here, or his staff, that you can make money during the free trial, and this is a kind of lifetime opportunity. I know a lot of people say that about the opportunity, but this can really change a lot of people's lives. And well, you can always try it out for 2 weeks and still make money on the same time. And we have a lot of good training in various ways inside the members area about email marketing, and both basic and then more advanced training. So you get educated as well during your trial. So if you want to get paid by building a list and get very well paid, then I would recommend this business. You can get started by clicking the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to return to my channel to check out more of my videos. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.